Hi, welcome to ChatHub YouTube channel. Today I have a Toyota Sequoia 2004 and my key ignition won't turn. So initially I was planning to take out the ignition assembly and try to rebuild. But I found a solution, a surprisingly fix without taking out the ignition assembly. Here's what I found out. So I plan on taking my ignition assembly apart to get it rebuilt. As you can see here, I take out the panel. I was ready to take out the ignition assembly like so. And the reason being is you can't turn to the start or any of the ACC or start engine. It just stuck. Okay, and surprisingly I decided to try out with my originally dealer manufacturer original key. Okay, I happened to make, when I bought the car, I happened to make a duplicate, and this key is the actual original manufacturer key that comes with the car. So I decided to try with this original key, and guess what? It turns. Surprise. The original manufacturer key still works. Like nothing happens. So compare to my everyday keys that I've been using, or my duplicate keys. As you can see here, this is my duplicates, been using for years. I have two spare keys that I've been using over time. These two are the duplicates that I've been using over the years, and this is the original manufacturer key. Look look at the grooves, how worn out the spare keys are, how different from the original. You can see the grooves on the spare key has been worn out badly. And look at the original. This is the original two spare key. Look at the grooves. Look at how bad they've been worn out. Totally different from the original grooves. That's why it wouldn't turn on the ignition, because the grooves are worn out different pattern from the original keys. So it won't turn. So luckily I still have my original keys, and now I don't have to take apart my ignition assembly. I would just go to the locksmith and make a duplicates from the original, and it should work fine. So if you have your original key when you first bought the car, then that's the key you should try, and hopefully it will work. So if you don't have your original key, there are great videos on YouTube that show you how to take apart your key ignition assembly and rebuild the key assembly. Just by taking out a couple of tumbler inside the key assembly. If you don't have your original key, that's something that you'll have to do. Okay, so here's an update. I just came back from the locksmith and made duplicates from the original key. I made 2 copies, and the locksmiths only charged me $60 to make 2 new copies. He didn't have to reprogram the chips because he just take out the old chips from my old spare key, put it into my new spare keys. So he only charged me $60 to make duplicates. So here's the new duplicates. Let's try it out. See, I'm able to start the engine or turn on the key with a spare key. That's the first spare key, the new spare key. Here's the second new spare key, the new duplicates. And able to turn the key and start the engine as well. There you go. Luckily, I still have my original manufacturer, original keys. Therefore, I'm able to make duplicates. Thank you for watching.